transforming perceptions. 10 steps to managing this way you are perceived at work. The perception at work is the most important thing that we need to focus on as far as the career is concerned. Success at work starts with positive perceptions. If your boss and co-workers have a negative image of you, it's a pretty good bet you won't be getting a promotion anytime soon. That's why it is so important to take charge of the way you are perceived in your organization. This 10-step perception transformation plan, today what we are talking, will show you how. I recommend trying to focus on one step each week for the next 10 weeks. Step number 1, pay attention to how your behavior affects others. As you interact with others, take note of the way they react to you. Pay attention to their behavior, speech and body language. Do they seem to react positively or negatively to you? Are they interested in what you say or what you have to say? Following each interaction, record your observation in a notebook. Review them later and try to pinpoint that behavior you may be exhibiting to cause any negative reactions. In addition, select 2 or 3 co-workers and ask them to give feedback about the way they perceive you. Explain them very nicely that you are concerned you may not be projecting the right image, and ask if there is anything you can do to improve the way you are viewed or perceived by others in the organization. One of my colleague, who's an executive in a multinational organization, told me about a colleague who talked so much that he annoyed everyone around him. No one would respect or even like to speak to him. So he was unaware of the problem. You will never know if you don't have the courage to talk or ask. Step number 2, avoid behaviors that provoke a negative response. Now that you know which behavior are making negative impressions on others at work, you can make a conscious effort to avoid them. From the notes in your observation log in the week 1 and the feedback you received from your colleagues in the last week, identify 3 specific behavior to work on changing this week. Step number 3, associate with people who are respected by others. If you hang out with people who gossip, you will be perceived as someone who make or who just like to gossip. Make an effort to spend more time with those who are respected by their co-workers and managers, and avoid spending too much time with colleagues who are perceived negatively by others. Step number 4, take the lead on a team project. This step, you will raise the stakes by taking the initiative to step into a leadership role on a team project. Talk to your boss to find out what you need to do to make this happen. Step number 5, make your boss to acknowledge your successes to others. Of course they do, and they've been talking about a lot. It is much more effective to have other people speaking about your real accomplishments than to talk about them on your own. That doesn't mean you should not mention the way you have contributed to the company's success. You should, definitely, but you should try to get other people speak about you too. That is important. Your boss is the most logical person to ask to tout your successes, because your boss looks good when you do. But definitely you can look forward for other team members, your colleagues, your co-workers, your stakeholders, your customers. Step number 6, make sure management knows how much effort goes into your work. Upper management often has a distorted view of the work done by those further down the ladder. If you make your work seem too easy, then they may think you are expendable. Make sure those in leadership position, those higher than your position, understand how important your job is and how hard you work to ensure it is done right, into the right manner. Find opportunities to engage those in upper management in conversations about your tasks you have completed that show the value you provide to them and the organization. You can do this in person or via email. Step number 7, see if your boss will tell his or her boss how valuable you are. Everyone wants their bosses to praise themselves, right? The boss knows how valuable you are, but what about his or her boss? Try to get your immediate supervisor to talk about your successes with those in higher management on the genuine work that you have done. This is an extremely effective way for you to get more visibility in the organization, and it benefits your boss as well by showcasing his or her skills in managing important projects and the team members. Step number 8. Find a way to get involved in a visible project. Be on the outlook for opportunities to participate in projects that will get you more visibility within the organization. Find out which projects are considered important by upper management and try to get involved in them. Try to talk to your boss about how you can be included in some of the projects which are the most important visible projects. Step number 9. Interact with influential corporate leaders. When I say interact, it should not be forced interaction. Talk to your boss about helping out, identify opportunities that will give you exposure to your company's senior management. Influential senior management, most important people, sit next to them at meetings whenever you get the chance and engage them in conversations. Find subtle ways to tell them about the contributions you have made to your company's success. Step number 10, important step but not least. Identify advocates who will promote you to others. Having your boss speak highly of you is great, but if you can get half a dozen advocates singing your praises, the genuine praises about the work that you have done, you will really be able to improve the way you are perceived among your co-workers, managers and upper management. When you hear advocates working to promote you, it won't be necessary to be as aggressive about you promoting yourself, which is good because being too aggressive about self-promoting can make you seem pretentious and boastful. If you follow the 10 steps above that we have just now spoken for the 10-week program, I can almost guarantee you will see a significant improvement in the way people respond to you by the time you finish in the 10 weeks time of the year 2021. As a visual reminder to keep you on track, print this article, the summary of this article or the video and tape it on your desk. If you complete one step each week, you'll be able to complete them all in just a few months. When you see the results you will achieve, you will undoubtedly want to keep going. Just think what you can accomplish in a year and keep going.